Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you came to our YouTube channel for first time, please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit bell icon. In this video we will discuss about this error. I'm trying to post goods receipt in T code Migo and I'm getting this error. Let's check. So I'm trying to post GR against purchase order. I'm getting this error. While I'm trying to post, I'm getting that error. GL account 3 lakh does not exist in company code KRIP. So you can see here complete performance assistance. You can see GL account, this does not exist in company code KRIP. So how we can resolve that? Meanwhile, that's a FICO side error, a finance side error. So but let us see like how we can resolve that easily. So in diagnosis, you can see the GL account has not been created in the company code in which you are working. That simply means we have to create a GL account in our system. The GL account, this 3 lakh GL account is not created for or not created or not maintained for our company code KRIP. So this is the reason we are getting that error. And this is in S4 HANA 2023. This is the latest version, S4 HANA 2023. And if you will get that issue in ECC or in S4 HANA's earlier version, it might be 2022, 2021, 1909. In any version, if you are getting that error, or in near future, if let's suppose SAP used to release a new version, if you are getting that error, the procedure to resolve that will be exactly same. So how we are going to resolve this error? So simply we will just open another session. We will just close it from here and we will open a new session using T code /o fs00. So just hit enter and you just came to this screen now. So here just click on create icon. Let's suppose in your case that icons are coming here in the top. So you can just click on this page icon, create icon, just click on that. And GL account is, what's the GL account that we are getting as an error? 3 lakh, right? Hit enter. Now we can see we have to maintain that, right? So we are going to maintain that. We can also close this from here. Okay, so we have to maintain that GL account for our company code. So in my case, company code is KRIP. In your case, company code might be different. So now what I need to do? Now I'm going to maintain that data, right? So that balance sheet accounts, that all I need to maintain, right? So let me put that same, whatever it is. Let me go to control data, and in control data I will mention my currency. So my currency is USD. So I'm going to maintain that, and I will just give a tax category here. So tax category I will give all tax allowed. So that star all tax type allowed, right? And I will just click on that posting without tax allowed, right? And let me click this. Right, let me take a short key 001. It's not mandatory, but let me take. So hit enter. Now just go to create bank interest, this tab, and in this tab let me give field status group. So what it could be, let me take Z001 like general, and enter and save. So let me check, is that error free or not? So it's error free. So save it just a warning, keep balance sheet account in local currency. It's fine. So hit enter and save. So now it's saved. Now let me check in Migo. That was the error earlier. So it's taking some time, just wait a while. Yeah. So let me take a snip for that, for our future reference. And I will also suggest to you, like, make a notes for each and every error, so that whenever you are getting that error and if you are stuck in somewhere, if you didn't remember that, it will help you. Okay. Now we will try to post goods received against purchase order, GR posting, right? So let me do it. Just close it from here. If I will try to post, it will again, yeah, that error is resolved. Now just see, that error is resolved. So once I just check and post, that error is resolved. But right now I'm getting another error, like account this for transaction postable directly. So this error I'm getting, and I will make a dedicated video for this error in next and next video. I will record that and I will like upload that video also, so that you can access that separately. So this is all about how can you resolve that GL account error or ticket. So like that you can resolve. If you are still facing some issue to resolve that error, you can ask me in a comment section. I will answer that. And if you are able to resolve that with the help of that video, please like this video and make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, so that you can get the notifications of our videos, such valuable videos. So just subscribe our YouTube channel and share in your SAP circle. So thank you guys, thanks a lot, may God bless you all.